welcome to Vision MBA guys. So we all were waiting for the CMAT results and yesterday the CMAT results were out and I hope everyone those who have given CMAT examination have downloaded the results. So there is a lot of chaos in everyone's mind. I have literally gone through all the videos which students have made and put in so many questions ki CMAT ka percentile kya hai, which college should I apply, what is the score, how can I judge my percentile guys. I had made a video a few weeks back regarding score versus percentile for CMAT exam, and the prediction which was given regarding the score and the marks which will be there were almost the similar. So what they have done, if you download the CMAT results which are there, you put in your application form, your all the details, and you get this scorecard. In that your details are given, then you have all the sections which are being mentioned which were there, your quant, verbal and your innovation and entrepreneurship GK. Total what is the score which you have got, they have mentioned it, overall total amount of number, the score which you have achieved, and the rank, overall rank of the exam results has been given. So we know the score, and guys depending on that score obviously you need to calculate the percentile. Now it's a difficult task, most of the students are getting confused. कोई बोल रहा है मुझे इतना percentile आ रहा है, कोई बोल रहा है मुझे उतना आ रहा है, कोई और वीडियो में बोल रहा है ऐसे कैलकुलेट करो, ये करो वो करो. गाइज just stay on the score which you have got. First of all you know the score. अगर आपका 250 के ऊपर आ रहा है स्कोर, दैट मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग अ परसेंटाइल अराउंड 70 to 80 परसेंटाइल. यू नो फ्रॉम दैट परसेंटाइल व्हाट ऑल कॉलेजेस यू कैन अपीयर. Go for that. If the college forms are out, still the online application college forms are out, go and fill. Go on the official website and fill the form. Second thing, most of the colleges का बंद हो गया, but still there are chances कि कुछ colleges के forms अभी भी started है, अभी भी चालू है, तो जाके वो fill कर दो. अगर आपका स्कोर 200 या 250 के नीचे आ रहा है, देर इज़ नो गुड चांस ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू अ गुड कॉलेज. सो गाइज you know that when you were filling the CMAT form there were also chances that the CET exam was around, so I hope most of the students have filled the form क्योंकि उसका डेट निकल चुका है. तो महाराष्ट्र CET के थ्रू भी आप बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो फोकस ऑन दैट if you have not got a good score in CMAT exam. Okay, second thing, this was the second thing. The first thing which I said in the earlier was अगर आपको 250 के नीचे आया है तो योर परसेंटाइल विल मैच अराउंड 70 to 80 परसेंटाइल, जो आपको मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो में पूरा समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपका कितना स्कोर आया है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस, बहुत कुछ है, वो अगर आपको करना है तो आप कर सकते हो, बट यू नो दी रैंक एंड यू नो दी स्कोर, सो गो एज पर दैट. सेकेंड थिंग, डोंट पैनिक इफ़ यू हैव नॉट स्कोर्ड गुड, यू स्टिल हैव CET एग्ज़ाम जिन्हें रजिस्ट्रेशन किया हुआ है, and all the students who are still wanting to do MBA and have not filled CET application form, the next exam which is going to be there is CAT, so you need to prepare for that. So guys, focus on what you're doing, be consistent. The second and the foremost thing, टेंशन मत लो, यहाँ वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रैक्ट मत हो. 10 जन 10 चीज़ें बताएंगे. You know all the information, just search it out, go through the colleges, official website पे जाओ, search करो, देखो क्या है and go as per that. Still, if you have any doubts or anything, please get in touch with us. There are so many people who can actually guide you the reality of the score and colleges to apply. Get in touch with us, the numbers are given, and please don't panic. Okay, this is the information I wanted to show regarding the CMAT exam. Please 10 जगह जाके 10 चीज़ें मत देखो. Simple, just keep it simple. That's the reason I made this video. Just wanted to make these things clear. Okay, that's it for now. For anything else, do get in touch with us. Thank you so much.